Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to InVideo for YouTube thumbnail title cards, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start your subscription to InVideo, visit the official InVideo website. Once the site loads, look for the sign up or get started button on the homepage. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to provide your email address and create a password. After entering your information, click the Sign Up or Continue button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Check your email inbox for the confirmation message. Click the verification link in the email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log back into the InVideo website. Explore the pricing plans available for your subscription. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. You will be directed to a payment page where you can enter your payment information. Fill in the required payment details and review your order. Once everything looks correct, click on the Complete Purchase button. After completing the payment, you will gain access to InVideo's features. You can start creating YouTube thumbnail title cards right away. Navigate to the dashboard and select the thumbnail creation option. Choose a template or start from scratch to design your title card. Enjoy your new subscription and the creative possibilities it brings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.